Hi, I'm Noah, the leader of the new CoSpaces Club. You might be wondering, what is CoSpaces? CoSpaces is a block coding game like what we do during Era of Code. One added bonus of this program, however, is that we can use AR and VR. AR is augmented reality. It's when you project an image onto a real surface. VR is virtual reality, played using a headset like an Oculus. Unlike AR, virtual reality is a simulation. If you look in my code, you can see I use many different blocks. I also use some blocks repeatedly. The code I use for this is my parkour game. In the code, you can see a lot of blocks that tell an object to move or go to a certain place if it touches another object. These are my moving blocks. You can also see in the code I use purple code to make the spaceship open and close when clicked. These are my animation blocks. If you want to learn more about CoSpaces, you can visit our website at www.cospaces.weebly.com. If you want to play CoSpaces, you can also visit their website at www.cospaces.edu. I hope next year we can get more members. Have a good rest of the year.